Hello everyone, wherever you are in the world. Today is a very special day because it is a Saudi National Day. This is Saudi National Day 2025. It's celebrated on September 23rd each year, and it marks the anniversary of the unification of the different regions of Saudi Arabia into one country. It marks the 1930 joining of Hejaz, Nejd, and more into one nation. That's why we also call it Saudi National Day. On this day, people from all over Saudi Arabia gather to celebrate the rich culture, heritage, and the amazing achievements of their country. The streets are decorated with the green and white colors of the Saudi flag, and people of all ages take part in the festivities. There are huge parades with their show from Saudi Air Force and naval forces in the coast. The celebrations feature a lively military parade showcasing the Saudi Arabian National Guard, Special Forces, and Army, all crucial for keeping the country's borders safe and protecting its people. In many public spaces feature giant screens displaying images of the country's leaders and iconic landmarks. Saudis also take great pride in their achievements in various fields such as science, technology, art, and sports. On National Day, there are usually exhibitions and events that highlight the contributions of Saudi scientists, inventors, and entrepreneurs, as well as the country's rich history and cultural heritage. In addition to the official celebrations, many families choose to spend the day together by visiting historical sites, museums, and cultural centers. It is a chance for Saudis to reflect on their shared history and identity, and to appreciate the diversity of their culture. During Saudi National Day, Saudis express their love for their country through various means. You will see the green and white flags waving from cars, homes, and government buildings. It's a symbol of unity, pride, and identity. Saudis also take this opportunity to wear their traditional clothes. We hope you enjoyed learning about Saudi National Day. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. So what are your thoughts about Saudi National Day? Have you ever been to Saudi Arabia? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.